Looking to build a powerhouse PC that handles everything from gaming to content creation? The ASUS LGA 1700 motherboard is built specifically for 12th Gen Intel Core processors, delivering the latest tech you need to stay ahead. With support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR4 memory, plus Windows 11 compatibility right out of the box, it's ready to boost your system's performance the moment you power it on. What really sets this motherboard apart is its enhanced power solution. Featuring a 10+1 DrMOS design, ProCool sockets, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery even under heavy loads. That means your CPU gets the clean, consistent power it needs to run smoothly and reliably, whether you're pushing through intense workloads or gaming marathons. Keeping your system cool is just as important, and ASUS has you covered. The large VRM heatsink, flexible M.2 heatsink, and PCH heatsink work together to dissipate heat effectively. Plus, with hybrid fan headers and FanExpert 4 software, you can customize your cooling setup to maintain optimal temperatures without unnecessary noise. This comprehensive cooling design keeps your components running longer and at peak efficiency. Connectivity options on this board are next level too. You get PCIe 5.0 for future-proof expansion, Intel 1 Gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired networking, and multiple USB Type-C ports including USB 3.2 general 2x2 and front panel USB 3.2 Gen 1. There's even Thunderbolt 4 header support, opening doors to high-speed data transfer and versatile peripheral connections. If your setup demands speed and flexibility, this motherboard delivers. Memory performance gets a boost thanks to ASUS's proprietary Optimum 2 trace layout. This technology allows your DDR4 memory kits to run at higher frequencies with lower voltages, squeezing out extra performance without sacrificing stability. The result is a snappier, more responsive system that handles multitasking and demanding apps with ease. Building your own PC should be enjoyable, not frustrating. ASUS makes that possible with features like PCIe 5.0 safe slot for secure graphics card installation and QLED codes that help you quickly diagnose hardware issues. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just getting started, this board is designed to simplify your DIY experience. One user from the United States praised the motherboard's BIOS options, highlighting AI overclocking and XMP support that made running an Intel i7 to 12,700 kFarads smooth and stable. Just remember to download all necessary chipsets and drivers before tweaking BIOS settings to get the most out of your build. Compact and attractive, this board fits well in modern setups and keeps pace with today's tech demands. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your 12th Gen Intel Core processor with a motherboard that balances power, cooling, and connectivity, the ASUS LGA 1700 is worth a look. It's engineered to deliver real, tangible benefits that matter in daily use, from faster memory speeds to quieter, cooler operation. Try it when you're ready to elevate your PC build.